No need to. It's hard for them to miss what they were too young to have ever seen. There's just no sense in protecting anything that's been gone so long already. Once they've disappeared, there's no need to fight over their extinction. Won't have to try and save it if it was bulldozed so many years ago. There's no point in boycotting that new Walmart once the doors are open. Ain't no way to stop this self-destructive process we know surely to be our progress. They aren't going to get worked up over your old and faded pictures. It won't matter anymore anyway when nobody else remembers. Once it's been so hot for 100 years, no one alive will know any better. Just bulldoze those native artifacts and keep the work on schedule. Soon you won't even be able to imagine how this all was before. There's no way you could ever swim in that awful river. No need now to preserve what's been paved beneath this parking lot. Who cares that over there was where we kept our horses? Won't make any difference anyway after a couple million years. No sense in arguing after all the trees are cut. Anyway, there's still a few of them left over at the zoo. Don't have to file suit now since that marsh has been all drained. Forget about the bag limits. All the good fish are gone and the rest are full of poison. They never even took the time to listen to the songbirds anyhow. No need for public hearings once it's been graded flat and all paved over. It's probably just always been really noisy around here anyway. Can't let the bears live too near our kids in their happy new backyards. It's hard for them to try and restore what they neither created nor destroyed. Once we've broken ground, there's never any more objections. So what actually was the point in the way it was before? No way that this was ever just a quiet rural farmland in any case. When we are done, nobody will even listen to those squishy whiners. They won't fight for things now gone far beyond their imagination. There is no profit in restoration once we're done extracting. Now that there's this new road through here, why not just add a strip mall? Some cheap apartments over there won't make any difference after that at all. It's going to happen one way or another, so might as well get in on the money. They can fix up their little yards if they really need to try and make a difference. Now that it's gone, it's just some new age fairy tale to be dismissed with our raucous laughter. No need to get offended now. It's all been settled in accordance with our laws and traditions.